In the sacred tradition of India, Lord Vishnu's avatars are not merely divine interventions. They are mirrors held before humanity. Each avatar appears when the world forgets its balance, and each carries a message meant to awaken the sleeping heart of creation. Beyond myth and devotion, the Dashavatara tells the story of human growth, from instinct to intellect, from chaos to compassion, from ignorance to enlightenment. The first form, 𝗪𝗁, the fish, teaches us the importance of preservation and faith. When the flood of destruction came, it was 𝗪𝗁 who saved the seeds of life, reminding us that even in times of darkness, divine guidance never abandons creation. 𝗓𝗰, the tortoise, symbolizes support and stability, the strength to bear the weight of the world, teaching that patience and steadiness uphold even the gods themselves. In 𝗪𝗁, the boar, we find the courage to lift what has fallen. When the earth sank into the cosmic ocean, 𝗪𝗁 raised it high again, showing that righteousness must rise even from the depths of despair. 𝗪𝗵𝘵, the fierce half-man, half-lion, teaches that justice is beyond logic. When evil cannot be defeated by ordinary means, the divine will always find a way. He reminds us that the protection of the innocent is the highest form of strength. 𝗪𝗵𝘁, the dwarf, teaches humility. The smallest among us can hold the greatest power when guided by truth. His 3 steps across the universe symbolize that even the humblest being can reclaim balance through wisdom and grace. 𝗪𝗁𝗵𝗁, the warrior with the axe, represents discipline and self-control, reminding humanity that power without compassion leads to destruction, and that true warriors fight only to protect righteousness. Through Rama, the noble prince, we learn the meaning of duty, honor, and virtue. His life is the song of justice, loyalty, and the struggle to remain pure in a world of temptation. Krishna, playful yet profound, teaches love, joy, and the art of detachment. That true divinity lies in balancing action with surrender and wisdom with compassion. Buddha, the enlightened one, brings the final awakening, the understanding that peace begins within and that compassion toward all beings is the highest form of worship. And though 𝗘𝗰𝗵, the final avatar, is yet to come, his message is already known, that truth shall always return. When the world sinks into greed and falsehood, the divine will rise again to cleanse and renew creation. Thus, through the Dashavatara, Lord Vishnu does not only preserve the world, he teaches it how to preserve itself. Each incarnation is a chapter in the eternal guidebook of the soul, showing that divinity lives not in heaven alone, but in the virtues we live by. When we embody courage, humility, compassion, and truth, we too become vessels of the same light that once walked the earth in Vishnu's form.